Have you ever wanted to create those long, really high-quality videos, but just felt completely stopped by the cost or how complicated it all seems? Well, today, we're going to break down a super powerful method for creating incredible long-form content using AI tools that are entirely free and unlimited. Let's dive in.
Pretty epic, right? That cinematic narration you just heard? That was generated with the exact same free method we're breaking down today. I mean, this is the level of quality we're aiming for, and trust me, it is way more accessible than you might think.
So what if you could take an idea, any idea, and turn it into a polished, professional-looking video without spending a single penny on software? The secret isn't trying to master a dozen different disconnected tools. Nope, it's about having one single, brilliant master plan.
And that brings us to the very core of this method, the AI video blueprint. This is what makes the whole process so smooth and seamless. And believe it or not, it all starts with just one powerful instruction.
Right at the heart of this blueprint is something called the master prompt. Now, I want you to think of this as the director of your entire video. You give it your topic, you tell it how long you want the video to be, and it doesn't just write a script, oh no. It creates a complete synchronized plan for every single element of your video.
So here's how it works. It's pretty cool. For every single scene in your video, the master prompt spits out 4 interconnected things. You get the script line, you get the vocal tone, like how should it sound, you get a detailed prompt to create the visual, and you even get a prompt to animate that visual. Everything is designed to work together perfectly, right from the very start.
Okay, so now that we have our blueprint, it's time to move on to the production line. This is where we take all those awesome outputs from our master prompt and use a handful of free tools to actually generate our audio and our visuals.
First up on our production line, audio. A great voiceover is absolutely key to telling a compelling story, so we're going to get that locked in first before we even think about the visuals.
For voiceovers, you've got 2 really great and totally free options. On one hand, you've got OpenAI.fm. It is super simple. Pick a voice you like, paste your script, and boom, you're done. But if you want more control, that's where Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro comes in. Remember that vocal tone output from our master prompt? You can literally paste that right into Gemini's style instructions field for a much more expressive, emotionally rich delivery. It's a real game changer.
All right, with our audio clips ready to go, it's time to create the visuals. We're going to use those image and animation prompts from our master plan to really bring this story to life.
For the visuals, you basically have 2 main paths you can take. You can use Meta AI for everything. It's completely unlimited for both generating images and animating them. Or you can combine tools, generate unlimited images with Meta AI, and then take your favorites over to a tool called Slop Club, which gives you 30 really high-quality animations every day.
And hey, here's a little pro tip to get the most out of these free tools. Use Meta AI's unlimited power to generate all of your base images first. You can even see the recommended settings here for getting some great detailed results. Then you just take your best images over to Slop Club for the animation part. This way, you're not wasting your daily animation credits just experimenting with images.
So we have our blueprint. We have our audio clips all nicely numbered, and our video clips are numbered too. Now let's assemble everything in the final cut.
For this part, we're going to use CapCut. It's fantastic, it's free, it works on both desktop and mobile, and honestly, its simplicity is perfect for this kind of workflow.
The editing process is so straightforward. You just import all your numbered clips, you drop audio clip number 1 on the timeline, then you put video clip number 1 right above it. Then, all you do is adjust the video speed to perfectly match the length of the audio. After that, you just repeat for the rest of your clips. It's literally like building with digital Legos. And the reason the final video looks so polished and intentional is because of this whole process. Even though we're using a few different tools, the result feels totally cohesive because every single element, the script, the voice, the image, the animation, it all started from that one single detailed master prompt.
So creating a free AI video is an amazing skill to have, but what's the bigger picture here? Learning a process like this is about so much more than just the tools themselves.
Get this. According to the World Economic Forum, AI is projected to be one of the most in-demand skills for 2025. Learning to leverage these tools isn't just a hobby anymore, it's becoming a fundamental professional skill.
So, why does this all matter? Well, these skills can make you way more effective at your job or in your classes, and they definitely help future-proof your career. It can even open up completely new doors for making money. I mean, the source for this explainer notes that its learners have built entire AI-powered businesses that generate thousands of dollars a week.
Look, this whole process is really about empowerment. The barriers that used to exist for creating high-quality content are just falling away.